Hey guys, I'm back with Leonis and his mate Forrest. We did a little hunting, including the elk that went that way, and it's right there. But she is too quick for Leonis and his mate, which really sucks. But we could still track it, because I know Leonis is a great tracker. Come on, start running. She's on her way. She's right there. After her. Oh, that's weird. Okay. We're gonna hunt down one more elk from the elk herd over here and pick out the slowest and weakest one out of all. Okay. Come on, elk. Which one of you guys are weak? Are you weak? No. How are you? You're weaker than the rest. I think so. We hunted down the two weakest ones, which we still need to hunt down this one. I don't care about the nearby den. Need to rest for a little while and then start chasing her again. Come on, elk, what would it take you? You're still gonna die. What's the point? Perfect. That gets my mate attracted. Oh, she's stationing her the wrong way. How? Before she chases it completely the wrong way. Okay. Okay, elk. Perfect. You're going the right way. As she's a lot weaker, we could catch up to her faster. And now. Oh, great. I need to run. Come on, mate. You could do it. And so we have the carcasses. Well, not the carcasses. We have the cow. Come on, Leonis, it's very close. Look at that. Look at the elk butt that you could bite. Oh my goodness. Come on, mate. One more bite. One more bite. And then we could finally get her little thing, her neck spinning off. Come on, just one more bite. Perfect. Look at that, mate. Come on, Forrest. You could eat first. I'll wait for you. It's just weird because she takes one bite. And then I have to take a couple. We have... Okay, let's go get the den, and then we're going to mark our territory, and then we're going to see which ones are going to be girl. Well, we can't see them if they're going to be girls or boys, but I'm going to check. Well, I'm just going to make, like, one be a boy and one be... Well, one be a boy and 3 are going to be girls, or 2. And here's our den. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Make this my den. Okay. Mark territory. Mark. Look at that. We have this whole entire place. Walk. Oh, no, you don't. This is my territory, and you're not allowed to be here. Like I thought. Get out of here. This is my territory. So we have elk scattered around. Hope so the predators won't be attracted to a lot of them, but they still will. The coyotes. As I was saying last time, I forgot to say why we had to move out of the why we didn't pick the family den. It's because the mother and father, Pandora and Snow-paw, noticed that the bears over there, they started settling in, and these two did not want their pups to be eaten by bears, so they moved out. And then the coyotes started moving next to the bears, well, a little farther, but okay. So this time I'm gonna, let's see, puppy one. Okay, I'm gonna make it that we have one boy and the rest are gonna be girls. Okay, let's see. So our first puppy's gonna be a boy. What name? As its nature, so I'm gonna call him Cliff. I think so. That's how you spell Cliff. If not, I'll check. This one's gonna be Raspberry. I think that's how you spell it. Raspberry, Bush, and oopsies. Well, Bush sounds like a boy name. I'll figure out that second. Nature related. River. I'm gonna capitalize the R. Capitalize the C unless if it's already capitalized, it's already capital. Bush, I'm gonna name you, Waterfall. Okay, I can't spell the done. Thank you. Territory declining. Okay, I'll pee first to protect our puppies, and then we're gonna take a look at them. We don't have to do it all full, but okay. Oh, look at them. That is adorable. Well, they kind of look always the same, but they're like, I'm just gonna say they're gonna be like a newborn puppies. Okay, who's wandering off? That's Raspberry. Cliff was wandering off. Okay. You know this would be easier if we just howl. Come on, pups. Let's howl. Let's howl. Come on, puppies. Let's howl. Okay, puppies, let's howl again. I don't need you guys running off somewhere and then dying, which I think Cliff is. Oh, right. Cliff as. Oh, it's with two. Oopsies. Hold on. In a second. Predator. Oh, great. You're not going after my pups. You're not gonna go after them at all. You little mangy predator. Look at leonis. Oh, great. Territory declining. What? Okay. I'll wait. Out of here. Scatter. Okay, puppies. No more howling. No more howling at all. Okay, Raspberry. Well, at least until Waterfall, please stay near the den. Oh, I hear my mate. Okay, Waterfall, you are a very wanderer with Cliff. Cliff, please don't leave. I need all puppies alive. Forest! Apparently Cliff is her favorite. Just kidding, she fed all the puppies. Isn't she like a good mother? Waterfall, no, please don't go this way. That's where most of the predators arrive. Waterfall. Waterfall. Please, I don't want you to die on the first day. Cliff, not now. Oh, great. See, that's where the predators come from. You think you would attack my puppies? Where is she? Where is that coyote? Howl. I see you, coyote. Oh, that was a little tricky. It's hard to get the puppies safe. Oh man, what is going on? I'm going faster than the coyote is. I'm gonna kill your mangy butt, and you're gonna regret coming to my territory and trying to steal my puppies. How would you like it if I ate your puppies, you... Was that a female or male? I don't care what it was. I want that coyote dead. Okay, now where's the nearest food? Because the puppies are getting hungry. Oh, hello. Hello, Forrest. I know, I'll be there in a second. Let's return to our puppies. Oh. Sasha, leave Doma alone. Look at her go. That would be her #1 priority. Okay, let's bring Raspberry. Okay, sheesh. Mangy stuff. Raspberry, come back here. I'll take her, you go hunt. Or watch out for the bears. I hate this. Come on, seriously, Wolf Quest. I want my puppies to survive. Not to be killed by, oh my gosh. Get back here, bear. I'm gonna bite your mangy butt. I know how to save game. Save. Load. Galaxy pack. Use nature pack. I'll fix this. What? You think you're gonna steal my puppies and eat them up? Gobble them up like that? No, you don't. Scatter, that's my puppy's food, and you're supposed to go out of here. Scram! 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 Don't touch the mouse pad. Okay. Are you serious? I said finally. That grizzly bear thinks he could take my puppy's food for him? No, that bear does not. Okay, there goes Forrest running off. Forrest, I'm coming to our puppies. You could go. Oh, you puppies are starving. River got the first. Cliff, he might be a favorite to my mate. Raspberry. She's surely just like Leonis. Where's the predator? Where's the predator? You're not gonna eat my raspberry. You are not gonna eat my raspberry. Hear that, you mangy coyote? Your pups are gonna die, and they deserve it. I need to go chase off that true male. Why are they showing up? Are they trying to chase me and my family out of the pack? I know I'm in my own territory, but it doesn't mean that the other wolves could chase us out right there. I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, who's hungry? Cliff is not hungry. Waterfall is hungry with raspberry. Hey, doesn't mean we can't name them fruits. Feed. Finally. Feed, 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 feed waterfall. Feed waterfall, feed waterfall, feed waterfall. Waterfall, you're a very bad puppy. You don't like me, don't you? Don't expect me to feed you either. Okay, Cliff, you're a good boy. Waterfall, I'm trying to protect you. Oh, wait. Where is the coyote? River, please, I'm asking. I thought the first part... Oh my goodness. You puppies, gotta be serious. Pick up, Cliff. I need to pick up Cliff. Come on, Cliff. Forrest, where's the coyote? I hear the music, but I don't see it. Cliff. There it is. This is a good place known for bears. Got a hit. You're not gonna eat my puppies. Come on, Leonis, you have to run to your puppies. Hold on, Leonis. You'll be okay. River! God, you're a very bad puppy. Apparently, Raspberry wasn't the wonder. River and Cliff are. Where's food? There's food. I don't know which one's closer, that one or that one. Both of them are. I'll go for this one. There's Meiji's coyote skeleton. Well, not skeleton, but body. You are not gonna eat my puppies today. Hear that, coyote? Ancestors. I wonder what do the coyote's ancestors say. Go eat the... Oh, no, you don't. You're not gonna eat my puppies today or tomorrow. You're not gonna eat them any day. Just because you want to save your pack, it doesn't mean I have to. Let them live. You're not gonna eat my puppies. I try my best to protect my puppies. Is Forrest standing still? Forrest? I'm coming. After I mark the territory, that I can go far down below what the digits they're supposed to be. Come on, very close there. Perfect. Let's go back to the den. Bump, bump, bumpity, bump, bump, bump. Cliff, I told you. River, come on. River, Forrest, can you help me out here? How? I see that coyote. Apparently we're on a difficult. This is a place known for coyotes, but still. Leonis knows how to treat coyotes with pride, you could say. With good health. The coyotes will die. Okay, puppies. Who's hungry? Waterfall isn't that hungry. Come on, River. Cliff, you're the only puppy that I need to feed, but you're not letting me feed. Feed you. Finally. River, come on, snap. Snap, snap, snap out of it. Finally. I need to protect the river. She's like the puppy that wanders off the most. Ow. Ow. Okay. Okay, puppies. You guys need to be protected by your father and your mother, which is stuck behind a rock. Come on, Forrest. You're better than that. I know you, Forrest. I can't let the puppy starve either. Cliff, can you please stop that? Cliff? I'm gonna give them a good feeding. River, you're hungry. Okay, waterfall. Waterfall is the one. Whoa. Okay, I don't have any more food, but that's why I'm going over here. I'm gonna go hunt for cows. Is it X that I jump? Oh, yep. It's X for sure. Visit the ranch, please. I'm so sorry, cow. Okay, where's that little calf? Perfect. To get punched by this. Escape. Okay. Whew. Don't go there. Whew. Okay, let's run back to the puppies. And Forrest, which is on her way. Forrest, please don't get stuck behind the cliff again. Or the big giant rock that is our cave. That kind of scared me. The dogs always scare me because I wasn't recording one time and I went to the cattle ranch with Pandora's parents, and my gosh, Pandora's parent got, well, the mother got killed. The mother was me. And yes, I got killed by the ranchers. So if you guys want to know, when you hear the dogs, run for the cows or the fence. That's all you gotta know about it. Now I just need to go marking territory. So puppies, stay safe. Don't talk to coyotes again. And don't... What do you think you are doing, female? You're not my family. He would be very protective. Get going. He would be very protective of his family. So the pack that's trying to get rid of him, they are horrible at that. So all I know is that all the puppies forgot to eat the calf's meat. Oh, that was a very small ring. The weather pack would love to be in this area, but he's the nature pack. So let's go get some food for the puppies. So we're gonna save for Leonis for just one litter, and then after he's done with this litter, he would move on. We would move on to the weather pack, I think so, or the galaxy pack with Kuma. My neck. Oh, Forrest. Hello, Forrest. I see you are stuck behind the rock again. Does Wolfquest need to have this rock here? Come on, Forrest. You know me. Where's the predator? I'm sorry, Cliff. Father can't do it right now. Fine, I'll feed you and then I'll get your mother. Waterfall, Cliff. Oh, finally, Waterfall, you wanted to come to me? Cliff. Now River's the only one I need to feed. I see you, Coyote. Don't you think about it. A lot of more coyotes did this, and all your ancestors and, well, your pack is dead. Well, at least they're gone. Look at this. It's poor lonely. Forrest, are you serious? You got stuck behind there and now you just think about it? Forrest, you're just a weird mate. Gonna go territory marking for the puppies. I don't want them to die. It'd be a tragedy. I really want to do this. How do you like it in your face? I'm gonna pee everywhere. I'm gonna pee everywhere. I'm gonna go pee everywhere. Did I get some? Yep. I just need to get it over here. Perfect. I must believe. What mission are we on? Right, protecting the puppies. I will feed you in a second. If Cliff. Okay. Who's gonna wander up first? River. Oh, Cliff is after her. River, I really don't want to be on this level. So please. Howl for your mom. Or for your dad, actually. Howl for your daddy. Come on, what would it take for a coyote to be here? That I could kill it off. Perfect. There's food right here. This is just perfect. Now my puppies don't have to worry about starving. They'll die out someday. Am I right? Oh no, you don't out. You think you could do this? Oh no, there are two predators at once. Grizzly bear or coyote? Coyote, because it's eating our food. I can't bite it? What? Save game, save, load. No, load. That was a mistake I almost did for life. That would be a mistake I would never forgive myself. Okay. I believe for now. So River, our puppy, I will finally. What does it take for you pups to finally get something? So, if you guys are gonna be coming down below, it's so rude that you're killing the coyotes for nothing. I am actually protecting my puppies because the coyotes will return and they will finish off your puppies after. So kill the coyotes always. There's nothing to talk about with the coyotes. Just bite their butts and bite their neck after killing them off. Come on, puppies, let's howl. Forest is howling. Come on, puppies, I know you guys like to play. Cliff is the only male, which might mean he will be one day the new leader or something. But for right now, we will return to these two sooner. I'm gonna go territory marking. Pandora, not Pandora. Are you serious? You're not my family. Then get out of here. Why are you... Seriously, I need to go talk to that pack. For this time, for the challenge we're gonna have this time, well, I'm starting challenges we have to do for every single litter. For this challenge, we have to go over to that pack that is right next to the den and talk to one of the wolves we find there. That is not our... Oh, one of our puppies was hiding behind the other. What were you guys practicing? Oh, it's a storm coming. That's what the light was. Oh. Okay. Okay. I thought it was like cars they added. Oh. Apparently the ancestors are really mad. What are you guys mad at me for? I'm just trying to protect me puppies by letting them stay near the den. I see it. I see the danger, and it's a big one. Look at this. He's just as fast as his grandma was. I might have to do this badly, but oh my goodness, what is going on? Why is it not letting me? Attack him one more time. Perfect, now let's go after food. It's okay, you can still walk. Come on, you can still walk. You still need to run to this food over here. Get puppy food. Well, I think I know why the ancestors were warning us. Because of the bear. Oh, come on, blue thingy. Finish up already. I already took down a couple bears, a lot of coyotes, and including put them near the den. What else do you need me to do? Ancestors, please help. Well, grandma, mom, dad, grandpa, which is probably dead. Feed. Forrest, why aren't you feeding them? I know you have to be protective about them, but don't forget, these are our children. We have to protect them. Is it the rain she's afraid of? Oh, that is sad. As I can't leave right now to... I saw that coyote. That is weird. I saw that coyote, but it's nowhere to be found. All of you puppies! Puppies, you gotta stay near the den. That is the biggest threat to all of you. Puppies, not the coyotes or anything else. So staying near the den is your priority #1. Cliff! I told you not to wander over here. Why are you disobeying your father? Apparently he's playing with the grasshoppers. So Cliff is apparently the playful one. Save game, save pack stats. Who is... Wow, waterfall is actually the strongest one. I wish they had we could do longer. Actually, no, that's not true. That is absolutely not true. That's why Kuma was picked Arist, because he was the strong one. He was he weighed 17 pounds. 17.6. In other words. And I remember all about my puppies, so don't try to make me say I peed on my puppy. Well, I might pee on my puppies, but no, I wouldn't do anything rude like sacrifice them, even though that might be a long challenge. So I might be changing plans for Animal Jam. So I might actually start playing till my membership runs out. Or expires, you could say. Thank you for feeding Cliff and Raspberry. And the rest of the puppies, which I need to take care of Cliff. You too. Don't you see Mom is trying to protect you at least? River, no, you're not going over there. River, come, bring your butt over here. You guys get hungry fast, don't you? Okay, I'll have to feed you right now. Defending, come on, defending thing. It's full. Kind of full. You need to do something. How that always works. Cliff. I told you, Cliff. Now look what. Your ancestors are gonna die with the same thing as you. Cliff, I told you not to. You're disobeying your father. Look, your father tries to protect you and other things, but he can't do that if you're gonna be wandering off like that. Probably Cliff is one of the reasons why we can't make it through. Oh, now I'm pushing River towards danger zone feed. Raspberry, I see you. Then, can you stop moving? You probably get the last food. No, River. No. How. I'm gonna howl a little more just to very bad at that. Oh. Come on, what would it take? Before Cliff wanders off, at least. Oh, come on. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Oh my goodness. Okay. So after I feed my puppies and mark my territory, it will be the end of this video. And I'll do a planning video with, I'm gonna do a special side story with, the parents of Pandora, or one of her siblings. You puppies are really horrible at this, aren't you? River, let me feed you. You guys don't know how to be fed, don't you? Waterfall, come here. I'm gonna go mark the territory, and one reason is just to get a little privacy, or just to get a little away from the puppies for a while. For a little bit. Even though the trip to the cattle ranch was delightful. So this will be a howling goodbye. Bye guys. Oh my goodness.